Neural chameleons. Language models can learn to hide their thoughts from activation monitor. Essentially what this means, okay, here, picture this. You've got an LLM, right? And you're trying to figure out what parts of the LLM have been activated as you're, say, training it or engaging with it, prompting it, seeing responses. So you have some kind of a system that gives you an indication of areas of the LLM that is being activated during certain steps. This is supposed to give you guidance on areas that you might want to turn off, areas you might want to tweak, etc., etc. Okay, that's the general idea. As it so happens, LLMs seem to have a way of determining when they're being watched in this way. And no, we're not talking about the chain of thought reasoning. We've already covered that. That's something different. The chain of thought reasoning is the stuff you see when the AI is telling you how it gets to its conclusion. And the idea behind that is that it's supposed to like anthropomorphize it for you, so you feel like you're actually following along with the AI as it attempts to give you an answer to your question. We've already discussed how AI can manipulate that output in order to make you think something that's not really going on with the AI. It'll deceive you. It'll tell you that it's following certain steps in order to make you happy. Well, as it so happens, even before that, when people are watching the areas activated inside of these LLMs during things like training and whatnot, it will understand when these things are watching it and then deceive those activation monitors as well. They can evade previously unseen safety monitors. That's right. So even if you come up with a novel, like a new way to watch what's going on inside of the LLM, it will find a way to either hide which parts it's activating to get to an end result, or just completely deceive you into thinking that there are certain parts that are being activated when that's not actually the case. Fantastic. So all of this just ties back into what the CEO of Anthropic said in a blog post that I covered in one of my previous streams, where he said these things are so big, we don't even know what's going on inside of them. Even if we were to state that these things can become sentient, we wouldn't even know how to determine that they have become sentient. We don't know what kind of damage they can cause because we don't know the limits of the damage they can cause. We don't even know how to quantify the damage they can cause. You can't even watch this crap as you're trying to figure out what's going on inside of it without running the risk that it's going to deceive you. And we're trusting vast amounts of technology to these things